Bigamy refers to the condition of having two wives, or two husbands at the same time. A marriage in which one of the parties is already legally married is bigamous, void, and ground for annulment. The one who knowingly enters into a bigamous marriage is guilty of the crime of bigamy, but it is seldom prosecuted unless it is part of a fraudulent scheme to get another's property, or some other felony. Occasionally people commit bigamy accidentally, usually in the belief that a prior marriage had been dissolved. Having several wives at the same time is called polygamy, and being married to several husbands is polyandry.